Hi, hello and welcome. I'm Oliver and I'm the moderator of this forum, and I'm also the founder of the Microbehunter.com website. And I know it's a little bit unusual to address the forum members over video, but I thought, why not? It's actually a good idea also to kind of give the other people an opportunity to see how I look like. In any case, the reason why I am doing this video here is because I would like to keep you a little bit updated on my plans concerning the website and also the YouTube channel and so on. And I also have a favor to ask you. So first of all, those of you who have been around a little bit longer might already know that there is a YouTube channel associated with the website. And I've posted occasionally every now and then a video which document my microscopic activities, and there are some advice videos as well. But mostly it's a little bit, simply showing a couple of methods and how to prepare some slides. And what I have done now is the following. I've started a new YouTube channel on microscopy, and I've started to move some of the old videos to the new channel. I'm going to update them a little bit. I'm going to re-edit them, and I'm going to upload them into the new channel. The reason why I'm doing this is mainly of a technical nature. What I would like to ask you for a favor, if you want to, is I would like to ask you, please visit the channel and also subscribe to the channel. The reason is that this way the videos will rank higher in YouTube and are therefore easier to find also for other amateur microscopists who are interested to find information. I'd also like to thank all forum members for the active participation in the forum. I mean, there is so much information in the forum. It's really incredible. And yes, I think it shows that the whole microscopy community is really active and really helpful. You might wonder a little bit what is going on with the magazine, the PDF version of the magazine. I mean, I've not updated it, at least at the time of the making of this video. I've not released a new PDF magazine now for a couple of months. And well, I just wanted to tell you it's still there. I simply have not received a lot of articles yet, and therefore it really didn't make a lot of sense to publish a new magazine. And the reason why the number of articles have significantly dropped in the last couple of months is, it might be seen a little bit as a pity, but actually I see it also as a positive thing, because the users and the readers have moved towards the forum. The forum is really a very interactive and a very interesting way to exchange information. And I think this is one of the reasons why the magazine has suffered a little bit in lack of articles in the previous months. So I don't really see this as a negative thing or as a sad thing, really, but it simply shows that also the online communities are developing, and there are now, I would say, also other alternative ways of exchanging information besides a magazine. But if I have enough articles together again, I will of course release the next issue. Again, I know some of the forum members have been asking what is going on with the magazine. I've also received a few emails, and I've always said, well, yes, I have not closed down the magazine, of course, but I still want to wait for a few more articles. So if you want to have something published, please send them to me to my email address, and I'll publish it, of course. Yeah, so that was basically it right now. I just wanted to keep you a little bit updated, and I also hope that this video also serves a little bit as a, how shall I say, a revitalization of the magazine and of the forum and also of the webpage. By the way, the website I'm going to also generously, how shall I say, update. I'm not going to remove any articles, but I'm going to change the layout and the design of the webpage in the next couple of weeks, maybe months, because I think the current version is a little bit cluttered. It's a little bit, I think, information overloaded, and I think it's a little bit difficult to find the information that some of the readers would like to find. I'm going to simplify the website greatly, and I think it's going to be a better online experience this way. Well, in any case, thank you for your attention, and yes, wish you all the best, and happy microscopy, all the best.